Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage inventory in QuickBooks, guys, and it's really easy and simple. So right now I'm under the inventory quantity adjustment tab, and I'm going to show you how to get here later, but for now let me show you how to use this. So the adjustment date is today, and the inventory that we're going to be adjusting, we have different ones right here. I'm going to be adjusting inventory shrinkage. The product, I'm going to be selecting a product, for example, sprinkler pipes. This is the description. We have 31 in hand. So the new quantity, guys, what we can do, we can name it 20. So basically we have used 11 of them. So the change in quantity is 11. You can add a reference number right here. Maybe this one, depending on what number you want. And you can add a memo for Rob's Cyber Cafe. Okay. That is maybe the company you used it for, and you can save this transaction. And it's that easy and simple, guys. You can go ahead and save it, and the inventory quantity adjustment number 1580 reference number has been saved. And how do you get there? For example, right here on QuickBooks, what you can do, guys, is you can go ahead and search up. Okay, just search this up right here. Just search inventory. Okay, and you'll see different search results that will come up right here. You can do the inventory quantity adjustment, and you can check out your inventory well report. You can check out the accounts you have. For example, my inventory shrinkage account. I can go ahead and check this out. So I'm going to come here and check out my account, and we can see Craig's landscaping services. That is our company name. Let this load up though. Okay, here I have, well, this is all the data we have on this account, and I have the other accounts. So that's how you do it, guys. If you want to know how to turn on inventory tracking, all you need to do, guys, is you need to go to your settings and select account and settings, okay? Then select the sales tab and select the edit button in the products and services section. You basically just want to turn on the option that says show product to service column on sales forms, okay? And you're going to turn on both the track quantity and price or rate, and you want to track inventory quantity on hand. Then just select save and then done. And if you want to add your inventory products, guys, you can do those as well. You can add those to your inventory product. You can also keep track of what actually sells. What you need to do is just create an invoice or add a sales receipt. It's really that easy and simple. And if you want to go ahead and check what's on hand or what's on order, what you need to do, guys, just hover your pointer over the quantity you had entered for an item. Then you can see the amount that is on hand, and the reorder point is 30. So when it reaches 30, then you order, like, let's say 5 more. Okay, so you replenish it every time and you restock it, and you can check using your reports. You can check the status of your inventory, for example, right here. And it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.